Hi, John Wilderness here. You know, from stunning vistas to Windows vistas, the Earth really is the eighth wonder of the world. This is John's Wilderness. The Earth's abundance of life can only be described as teeming. But how did all this life get here? Why is it here? Why does it keep sustaining here? Well, there's a little friend I'd like to introduce you to. Oh, hi. You caught me looking at the sun there. You see, the sun is a mass of incandescent gas. A gigantic nuclear furnace where hydrogen is built into helium at temperatures of millions of degrees. Yo-ho! Go! Hot! The sun is not a place where we could live. But here on Earth, there'd be no life without the light it gives. Well, it may just appear to you that I'm chilling out, maxing, relaxing all cool, playing some basketball outside a pool. But you see, what I'm actually doing is hurting the Earth. See, with every dribble, every basketball bounce I do, I contribute to world pollution. Every bounce I do, every dribble I make, another endangered animal dies. That's a white rhino. That's a pink dolphin. That's one of those giraffes that have one of those really short necks. I think it's the last one. So if you still think basketball is cool, stop it. Get some help. Now that we're finished with that, let's just go find some nature. Welcome to the creek.
The creek really is the forefront of the Midwestern American ecosystem. There's an abundance of beautiful animal life that's just too much to even count. I mean, look at that. And the plant life, don't even get me started on it.
Okay, so we're at the creek, but unfortunately we reached an impassable torrent. I'm gonna have to jump it. Something bit me. But don't worry, I'm a professional. The economical landscape usually consists of rocks, water, sand, and the occasional middle schooler that comes here to hang out after school. He's the one that vapes. He's the cool one, you know, the one that still made fun of me, even though, you know, I was the same age and everything. I don't even know what he had a problem with me. Look at that. I think it's a frog. There's a frog right there.
Let's go find some real nature.
He's right, you know. There's absolutely nothing interesting to film in the creek area. There's no interesting plants or animal life to film. We didn't see anything cool. Maybe if we get to a higher vantage point, we can see more of what the Earth has to offer us in terms of its beautiful scope and nature aesthetic.
Vlog update. Look what nature made. This is my home. That's where the buffalo roam, and that's where the deer and the antelope play. Now, I know you're thinking, Dad, don't we eat the antelope? Let me tell you something, son. When we die, our bodies become the grass, and the antelope eat the grass, the grass eats the antelope, the antelope eats the grass, and thus the circle of life continues.
From up here, we can fully grasp how naturey nature really is, and how much nature plays a part in the ecosystem itself.
Hey, there's a bird down there. See the bird? Film the bird. You know, if it's nature, film the god.
actual nature alert. Pay attention, this is real nature now.
Hold on. Do you see that? Yeah. Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you know what that is?
Yeah, it's a...
I'm talking to the audience. Do you know what that is? That is a blue 2005 Mazda 6, and it's just a beauty. Let's get a closer look. Okay, the car is just over that ridge. I'm gonna try to get closer to it. Let's go. There it is.
With 4 cylinders and 4 gears and almost 200 horsepower, this thing can really move through the environment. Here we can see it dousing itself with its built-in tear ducts to shield itself from the summer heat. But unfortunately, these things are incredibly aggressive.
Whoa, okay. Oh gosh, I think it's getting mad. It's okay, big guy. It's okay. Okay, well, okay.
At this point, our camera battery died, and the creature did escape. It used its natural speed and knowledge of the area to evade our camera cars, and it was just far too skilled and outmaneuvered us at every single turn. But don't worry, for the sake of nature, we will capture this beast.
Okay, we tracked it to its nest. I found it, it's just over there. It's hiding. I think it's asleep. I'm gonna get a closer look to it. We're almost there. Wow, what a beauty. It pooped. It just, wow. Look at the tires on this guy. I'm touching it. Uh-oh, it's awake. Careful. Oh no. It's chasing me. It's running. Oh, guys, looks like it got me. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this one. Keep it going. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys.
The river is actually one of the ecosystems on Earth. It's one of the flowiest and wettest, which means there's plenty of fish to eat. And look, there's a bear about to eat that fish. Take it away, David.
This is going to be the end of the road for a lot of salmon.
As you can see, there are no trees in this section of nature at all. No trees. It's really sad. We have to do our part as nature lovers and tree huggers to plant little trees so they can grow into one day a big forest. You just put it in there. Yeah. Okay. I've been eaten by the car. And I'm in its belly now. I'm gonna make a daring escape. Here we go. That's how you make it. I made it. I'm alive. And we have this bad boy incapacitated right now. It's not going to hurt anybody, but unfortunately, it does have a taste for human flesh, and we are going to have to put it down.
The car ate me, so I killed the car, and thus the circle of life has ended. Thanks for watching.